Hi, lovelies. How are you doing? Tayo here again. Yes, your girl is here again. How are you doing? Hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I came to give an advice. Okay, I came to give an advice, and as I'm advising you, I'm also learning, right? Because on this channel, we all learn together. We unlearn, we relearn, right? So today I'm here to tell you that is, try solve that issue yourself. Mommies, try solve that issues yourself. Auntie, brother, you are not left alone. Whatever it is it might be, solve it yourself. Mommy, it's not always okay. Let me say that I'm not here to talk about just relationship. I'm not here to talk about just marriage, right? I'm here to talk about every relationship. Be it marriage, friendship, whatever, relationship, whatever shape it might be. I'm just here to tell you that you should try and solve the issue yourself. Mommy, it's not always mommy Dammy that should help you to sort your issue. Daddy, it's not always that uncle that you should run to solve your issue. Who told you mommy Dammy is not facing something in her own marriage or in her own maybe relationship, whatever as well? Who told you that uncle is not facing health? Who even told you that whatever advice the person you run to give to you would work? Who says they are giving you or offering you a perfect or best advice to whatever it is you take to them? Try and think. Try and sit. Try and talk to yourself. Try and calm yourself. What is inevitable is that we all fight. Okay? We all fight. We do. We all fight. But how we handle our fights, how we handle our quarrels matter. How mature we handle our quarrels matter. Stop going to people to solve your problem. Try. Fine, I want to agree at some point you might need people, but of course, always make sure that you've tried on your own part. Don't let it be registered in your head that it's always going to people. Don't let it be registered in your head that it's always talking to people that will solve your issue. Make an effort yourself. You can do it. That person you're running to might be facing his own. That uncle, that mommy you are running to, they are facing their own, because like I said, it is inevitable. It's something you cannot avoid. One way or the other, it will happen. We will all fight. We will all quarrel. But that ability to come together to resolve it is what matters. How well we resolve it is what matters. That uncle finished having, an issue with his wife or whoever. Let me say wife. That uncle finished having an issue with his wife and your uncle came in. Or your knock on the door came in. And you brought your own issue on him. Please, how do you expect him to advise you? What sort of advice do you really expect from him? Of course, it might not show to you that he's suffering as well. Of course, it might not, let you know. Because, of course, people like that say, when you keep running to people for advice, when you keep running to people for help, like to save you, especially in relationship, they see themselves as God. They see themselves as, important, special. That it will come to me. Two things. Firstly, The worst thing, or part of the worst thing that could happen if you keep running to people for help is that, my dear, they will abuse you tomorrow. They will abuse you tomorrow. They might even think it's the solution they prefer for you that helped you. And it might not even be. It might not be. It might be maybe your wife later came back to her senses and, approached you and everything was sorted. So please, they will say, we are humans, right? They will laugh at you when they see you together again, when they see you laughing again, then when they see you doing things together again, they will laugh at you. They will still come. That's what they would say. They will say, they are still coming. Before night now, they will come. They will fight again. And that is because you always go to them after every quarrel, after every issue. They'll now turn your relationship to an unserious one. Of course, you made them. You allowed them. Number two is, let us be careful. See, I will say it again. Let us try and sort issues ourselves. Let us avoid trouble. You never can tell who says that issue you are trying, to solve by taking it to one uncle or one mommy, whatever, or one auntie. Who says it cannot break that home completely? Who says? Who says it cannot break it completely? Who says the advice they're giving you is the best? Who says the advice they're giving you is the right one, is the right approach? We need to stop it. We need to stop it. Let's try all we could to solve issues ourselves. Let's try. At least try. Then if your trial is not working, then fine. You know who to go to, not just one uncle somewhere or one mommy, whatever, that does not even want your good. Before I go, let me say this. That which you call an issue for you, that which you call a big deal in your own marriage or your own relationship, might be a cup of cake to the other person, might be a cup of cake to the person you're going to. What you think is an issue for you might be very minimal, might be very little to what that person you are reporting to is facing in our own relationship. And what if the devil sets in and she tell herself, I think I would prefer what is going on there than what is going on in my own home. That is trouble. That is the bigger trouble. Then who would you run to then? So please, the crux of this video is try solve issues yourself. Try your best. Stop going to people for help. Stop going to people for advice. Advise yourself. You can advise yourself. Try it. You can advise yourself. There is nobody that can advise you brightly the way you will advise yourself. Trust me. Trust me. Just calm yourself, calm your nerves and talk to yourself and listen to yourself. Believe me, that issue will be solved. Stop going to people. Mine is stop going to people. Stop going to people. Try your best and solve it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've gained one or two from this video. Okay, so you know the drill. Guys, you know the drill. Make sure you like this video, please. Okay, like this video, subscribe. Of course, drop your comments in the comment section. Share it with people you think would benefit from this. Really, people need to hear this. They need to hear this. They need to hear it. Don't enjoy it alone. Spread it. Spread it to people. Let them all hear that they can do it themselves with the help of God. With prayers, they can do it themselves. They can talk to themselves. They can solve any issues themselves. And they will avoid bigger trouble. So like I said, let's continue this conversation in the comment section. Okay, drop your comments, let's hear it. Drop your experiences, let's hear it. Drop your opinions, let us hear it. And please, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Let's enjoy this channel together. Thank you so much, and from here I say bye.